we're big believers in renewable energies, and solar being one of the best ones in the world out there. VCT Group's been an amazing partner for us in this project and in other projects as well, and we are definitely looking to invest further in this space. So for Pelee, the motivation was in part financial, of course, because there were very attractive government programs in place at the time when we made the installations. But more so than that, it was really to bring that sustainable mindset to this industry. We're not just growing wine, making wine, we're also very conscious of our environment and of the people around us, as well as the community around us, and we wanted to find a positive way to contribute. Pelee is a really energy-intense operation. We need cooling for our wines. We need some rooms to be temperature controlled, etc. And of course, when harvest is ongoing, our machinery takes a lot of energy. There's a high number of days during the year where we have sun, and sun is capable of producing, of course, energy, which is why we went with the solar options. We are able to export that energy to the grid and receive credits for it. So by doing that, we've been able to reduce our energy costs very, very significantly. We have several certifications that are sought after. So we're vegan certified, we're sustainable, and sustainable not just on the energy production, in the way we grow and harvest our grapes as well. We really put that emphasis on that sustainability. And it's just something that consumers are looking for. The SWO certification is something that we're very proud to have, and I think it's an important flag for us to be able to show. I think that solar component is a part of that certification, but in addition to that, we also watch the way we replenish our soils and the way we grow our grapes and the way we treat the land that gives us these great results. But solar is definitely a component thereof, and I think it's a great addition to have. We've done a number of campaigns on social, and we of course label all of our bottles with sustainable labeling. However, I think more so we talk to it. All of our staff, everybody that's on board with us is passionate about it. So it really it kind of balloons from there, and everybody's excited at the fact that we're contributing and making the world a better place while also making great wine. For me personally, I've always been interested in renewable energies and alternate energies. From a family perspective, we were involved in wind turbines and some solar projects as well. So it's amazing to have that personal passion being brought into this business, and being the business at the end of the day with costs and ongoing spending. I think from Pelee's standpoint, we do have this operation here in Kingsville. We have another operation on the island. I think there's lots of potential for growth and for increasing our solar power capacity, if you will. And I think that over the next few years, we'll be able to invest and grow that space even more and potentially support the community around us by doing so. I think that there's opportunities for other wineries, but even more so outside of wineries. I think many businesses can profit from the ability to produce your own energy. VCT Group has been integral to all of our renewable energy projects. So we just did some installations for electric vehicle chargers in our parking lot. We've done the solar panels over the years, and the professionalism that VCT Group brings, as well as the continuing support on all the projects that we have ongoing, has been unparalleled. So we will choose VCT every time.